Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The three vertices of a parallelogram ABCD taken in order are A minus 6 minus 8, B minus 2 minus 8, and C minus 4 minus 12. Find the coordinates of fourth vertex. Now let's see. Let's try and visualize this. This is a parallelogram. And let's see. This is A minus 6 minus 8. This is B minus 2 minus 8. This is C minus 4 minus 12. And we are required to find the coordinates of this fourth vertex. Now if we observe A and B lie on a line which is parallel to x-axis, because y coordinates are same for them. Therefore, length of AB is equal to x coordinate of A minus x coordinate of B. X coordinate of, no, it will be other way around, x coordinate of B minus x coordinate of A. So let me write it this way: x coordinate of B minus x coordinate of B. So let's see, this is how we'll get the length of AB. Let's see, so that is equal to minus 2 minus of minus 6, which is equal to minus 2 plus 6, which is equal to 4 units. Now we know, again, since this is parallelogram, DC is going to be parallel. DC is parallel to AB because opposite sides of parallelogram. So DC also will have same y coordinate. Therefore, D will have same y coordinate as C, since they are both parallel to x-axis. Since both parallel to x-axis, therefore we know that y coordinate of D is minus 12. Now x coordinate will be 4 units away from C. X coordinate will be 4 units away from C, x coordinate of C. X coordinate of C. So we have x coordinate of D equal to minus 4 minus of something equal to 4. So we have, let's see, x will go over to right side and 4 will go over to left side. So we have x equal to minus 4 equal to minus 8. So we get x coordinate for D as minus 8. So let's see, required required coordinates of D are -8, -12. So this is the answer.